Hi, join me in this video as I try to share with you exactly how you can grow your small trading account. One of the challenges traders face is the volatility of the market, which makes it impossible for you to grow your small trading account. So for you to be able to scale through this, it means you will require a high level of expertise and knowledge as far as trading is concerned. So what that simply means is that you won't just jump into trade and then jump out of it as usual. You will need confluences that will enable you to be able to do this correctly and without any stress. So in this video, I'll be showing you exactly how you can grow your small trading account with ease and without stress. So how do we go about doing this? Many of us have a $10 account, $15 account, $20 account. So in this video, I'll be showing you exactly the assets that you need to trade in order to grow your small trading account and how exactly you can trade this space in order to achieve this desire. Thank you to all our new subscribers. If you are coming across this channel for the first time, do not forget to give this video a like, share, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to get notified. I will upload the next video. Here's our indicator setup. I just set up the first one. Here's the Bollinger Band. The period is 130. Take a screenshot and do the setting on your own. And here is our CCI, our commodity channel index, and of course our moving average. The period is 25 and that of period 10 respectively. So what are those assets? If you want to grow your small trading account, personally, I will recommend the following assets. 1. Crash 500, Crash 1000, boom 500. Avoid this, avoid this, avoid this. Euro USD, AUD JPY, GBP USD. These are valid assets, and you can as well trade on synthetic indices such as volatility 75. So these are my recommended assets for you that you can leverage on to grow your small trading account. So how exactly can you grow this account? First of all, you must be ready to trade in line with the trend. The trend is always your friend. So to trade with the trend is to trade in safety. So get ready to trade alongside with the trend. So how do we determine the trend? We'll determine the trend first of all. As a beginner, you have to be conversant with market movement in order for you to be able to identify your structural point effectively. And then, this is the simplest way for you to determine your trend using this setup. We'll determine trend by using our Bollinger Band indicator, and that is using the middle Bollinger Band. So we'll establish when price is below the price is below the middle Bollinger Band consistently over time, it shows that we are in a downtrend. Remember, take note of the word of price being below it consistently. And when price is above it consistently from H1 and above, it means we are in a down trend. Above it, uptrend, below it, downtrend. This is just to determine trend. That is not a guarantee that the trading strategy is based on indicator. No, this is a typical price action. We only use our indicators to validate as additional tool for our confirmation. Now that you have established this pattern, price at this zone here, you can see that price crosses below it. So for you to find your entry, there is something we call point of interest. Point of interest are those zones that you want the price to come to before you can make your trading decision, either decision to buy or decision to sell. And that is because you don't just jump into trade anywhere or at any point as far as the market is concerned. So what are those zones? There are several ways you can do this. One of the easiest way is for you to wait for a pullback using the middle Bollinger Band. Such as in this price scenario, you can see the price crosses and was consistent over time below this zone. So what do? You will kindly wait for price to pull back to your middle Bollinger Band. And just as you can see in this case, price pull back to the middle Bollinger Band. And when this happens, when you get this pullback towards the middle Bollinger Band, kindly pick your trend line. You draw your trend line beautifully well in this manner and get an additional confirmation. What confirmation? Ensure that you get a divergence. So, and here we are having a typical divergence. You can see that here price is making higher high. But if you look at our indicator window, you realize that price is making a lower high. So this disagreement between our price action and our indicator is what we call divergence. So you get a divergence and then wait for price to give you a candlestick formation. And that is why I say this strategy is built based on price action, not just indicator. So price gave us, here we have this, but it was not an engulfing candle. Then we'll have this struggle until we finally got in this bearish engulfing candle. So you will make your sell entry from this zone, and here is your stop loss. And then you can see how price plays out. And you would have been in profit, obviously. So you can take advantage of this, and then you keep on repeating this continuously. That is one way to go about it. Alright. Again, you can use several methods of doing this, but this is the easiest way and one of the most effective way that I know you can do this. All these markups you are seeing are trades that I have taken based on this strategy. So you can see this pullback to this zone, and here I have this candle, this pin bar here, and that was my sell entry to the downside. And here again we have another beautiful one. Look at this. We have this place out here. We have this, just a moment. This is divergence, and then this is divergence, and this was my line. Price break out of it, and that was my sell, pull back to the middle Bollinger Band, and I use my price action to make my entry. I would not want this video to be long, but I just showed you very effective and powerful trading strategy that you can take advantage of. It's very much easier and it is simple for you to capitalize on this. So this is not a reversal, this is a continuation trade. Look at this, very much massive, and then you see how price is moving. The truth is, the process must not be complicated. As simple as it is, you can bank on this to grow your small trading account. In the subsequent video, I'll be sharing with you results of students who have adopted this method and how they were able to produce exciting proof from trading, growing their small account, and many others. Thank you for watching. If you are coming across this video for the first time, do not forget to like, share, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to get notified when we upload our next video.